So hello everybody, welcome back to the Coding Prodigy. Today we are talking about not something about coding, but something that will make a big difference to some of our viewers' lives. Today it's about Excel, so it's about technology on the whole. So I have a data set prepared about students and subjects and their marks in them. So I have 52 students. Now, what if I wanted the top 20 in one of these subjects? Well, I'll show you how to do that right now. First, you select the whole table that you want to make. And then you do format as table, choose whichever style you like. I like this style personally the best. You can go with whichever one you like. Here it will ask me where's the data for your table, but remember when we selected it, we already put it here. And we want to select my table has headers because we already have the headers. Click OK, and now you have a nicely formatted table. This table is made out of lots of numbers, and we want to see the top 20. How can we do that? So, first decide which subject you want to see the top 20 in. I'll say in history. Then, number filters, and then top 10. But let's say you want the top 20, and we can change that there. And there you go, we have the top 20. But you see, they're not all in the right order from largest to smallest. And for that we need to do one small thing. Sort largest to smallest. And here you go. We have largest to smallest from 99 to 74. So well done to S, who got 99 out of 100 in history. Let's say we want another subject. First, what we'll have to do, clear filter from history, and then go in geography, number filters, top 10, 20, and here you have the same problem that they're not sorted. Same thing we do, click on that again, largest to smallest, and you have 99 to 74. And there you go. That's how to get a top 20 list from any subject. I hope you found that useful, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.